In this quick video, you'll learn how to change the slide to stop gesture for alarms in iOS 26.1. Start by unlocking your iPhone and going to the home screen. Find and tap the Settings app, the gray gear icon. Inside Settings, scroll down until you see the clock option, then tap Clock. This opens the clock settings, where you can control how your alarms behave. Now let's look for the slide to stop gesture controls. In clock settings, find the option labeled Slide to Stop or Alarm Stop Gesture. Tap this option to open more controls for how you dismiss alarms. Here, you can switch from slide to stop to a tap-only button, or require Face ID or a side button press instead. To effectively turn off the slide to stop gesture, choose Tap to Stop or another method you prefer. Once you pick your new option, your future alarms will use this behavior instead of sliding to stop. That's it. You've updated how you stop alarms in iOS 26.1. If this helped, consider liking and subscribing for more quick iOS tips.